got 1, 2, 3, 4. Pickles ain't in the lineup yet, but we're getting ready for the race, y'all. You see what I got sitting in the cut. It ain't ready yet. OEL ain't ready. Hot in the highway. No lights on. 20 East, get out of my way. Where? International. You know how traffic get over here in Forest Park. Lovejoy, what's up? Ducked off location. Stay tuned to see where all the boys at. I want to see them cars. Kind of the first ones here. See everybody else lining up, popping them trunks. Boys out here getting to it. This is the tuning.
I'm still lemonade. We got to get them right. Yeah. That's a 7 scale. That's infraction. Well, it's infraction, limitless, and part of the V2 limitless.
All 3 and one of them your bills.
Yeah.
And that's that green on there.
I think some more people gonna come, but this is where we be at. This is what we do right now. Went to the white bed body. How many hits you can make on the battery? There's some dust down up there.
About midway. Yeah. I've been smoking about mid. So it's brought a few out tonight. Just play around. Let's run with this one. You want to go for a little ride? You pick me. All right, come on. Oh yeah.
So this is your special top.
Yeah, the tune up in the tank, it'll show you on the little No, you can't do it unless you sit still.
That one did all right. Let's see what this did.
It's on the front of that table right here.
So this is how we doing the OIA line them up, RC man.
Yes, sir.
How we doing this?
How about Power Hobby?
Power Hobby, shout out to sponsors, baby. We're coming in a little light tonight. See them prepping tires. We building mine. We're gonna get ours mine in about another 2 weeks or so.
Yes, sir.
Get me right there.
I'll get it in.
Then I'm just bringing out something light just to run them down. Right here trying to do a little shimmer. The straight game is good, no steer. One hand whipping that thing. Come on back here. A handbrake coming handy. See that Fox looking good. Prep time. Did like 30 flips out there. Ain't too bad. This is bashing body. Let's go. Alright, we're in. Call it.
Ready, set, go.
These two are having a good race so far. Boy just ended up losing control halfway. A little mild damage.
I was winning too, by the way. I was winning.
Yeah, they all say that.
Somebody said, fuck that habitat.
What happened? What happened there?
They always try to get you for nothing, and then the
But
people you
this because
find.
y'all don't know. Y'all go in there, y'all go. Hey, what's the name of it? Get it out. I want you to run my box stop.
With my fast car?
Yeah.
On my box stop.
Fast car.
What the fuck? You sick as shit. I know you playing. You for real?
Yeah.
Why?
Wow.
Let them doolies up here. We're switching up a little different this time. We got prep, no prep, dry tire and wet, right?
Yeah, I'm dry. I'm dry.
That nigga truck, you better shut the house.
Motherfucker, bro. That shit was gonna make no sense. Come on, bring that shit back. Hey,
We ain't kept the speed wobble. Camaro.
I rock. Street car. I cut that like fuck you.
Treat that.
My damn tire, right? Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute, man.
If you a dry tire, you want to do all that.
I am dry.
Nah.
Man, my tires are dry.
No, not yet. I can't see.
Damn, ain't nobody gonna see?
I'll go down there.
Yeah.
Right lane.